G'day Skate Champions and welcome to Transition Tuesday Season 2 Episode 15. These are native bin chickens. They have no relation to this video, but they're everywhere. But this here is middle-aged skating Japan. He posted a video the other day about a river dance just on a curb, which I commented was a really good trick but would be terrible to try on transition. So why not just go against what I said and try it myself on transition this Tuesday right here. I'm going to wear a helmet, wrist guards, try and protect myself a little bit because I've never tried anything like this. Wish me luck. Alright, because I'd never done anything like this before, probably the staple gun was about as close, but this was very, very peculiar to me. So what I began was just putting my right foot on the tail and then seeing what it felt like just to drop the board in and keep my left foot planted on the top of the coping and then sort of roll back down. Very, very weird. And then I started doing a bit of tail stalls just to get that feeling for those guys. Followed by trying to do the same thing, just roll in on one foot. But it just didn't feel very good. And then this legend who was having a skate around, he's like, you should try it on the bank. So I did that, and it kind of just gave me a bit more confidence. I didn't really do anything particularly great, but you know, skateboarding, it's 90% confidence, right? And then went back to the transition and started just trying to get those tail stalls in, get my body weight nice and comfortable on the back foot, then switch, and I started rolling in, but getting a loaded tail bite, because I just wasn't landing particularly well, and I wasn't bending my knees, so almost flicking back. A little bit scary, and then started to really focus on just leaning forward into it and bending my knees as much as I could. Not too much so that I was like coming down too fast, but just to absorb that sort of transition movement going into the flat. And I got a couple, and then it was really just getting my tail stall body weight right, and all the confidence was there. I just felt really comfortable with it. I thought I was going to just go with one, and then I got a bunch more. And honestly, I would have been happy with one, but I just felt this one, it really just sort of came to me, which is a huge surprise to me. I ended up getting a few different angles, and also getting 2 in a row at the end. Thanks Middle Aged Skating Japan for another great inspirational video for me to try something. The river dance was something I hadn't even thought of, and particularly hadn't thought of on transition like this, because I thought it was way outside my reach. So I'm really stoked with today, but I've got to carry on with my day. Remember to keep skating, keep having fun, and of course, keep progressing. Take it easy, legends. I'll see you on Friday. I gotta crouch right into it.
Yeah.
Just so I don't have any of that wacky tobacco stuff going on.